Being an alpha male means being a dominant, self-confident, and strong man. It means knowing and getting what you want. Alpha men seem to always get what they want, and that is why they're often admired and emulated. If you respect the alpha male mentality and want to bring it to your personal life, there are a few things you need to do and avoid around girls the alpha way. This video is brought to you by Answerly, a question platform that pays you for adding high-quality answers on different questions. The users are rewarded in Answerly tokens, which they can easily convert into dollars or any other cryptocurrency by using one of the exchanges mentioned in the description. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about how you can be an alpha around girls. If you're new here, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notifications bell to get updates whenever we post. It's important to first understand the concept of what an alpha male is. An alpha male is not a complete jerk, an aggressive and dismissive guy, and most importantly, not an insulting and sexually aggressive male. These traits a guy has are just called loud and obnoxious. They're boys trying to act like alphas. An alpha male doesn't have to tell himself that he's an alpha male. Being an alpha male is being sure to his own self. He recognizes his own value and doesn't put women up on a pedestal. He doesn't pine over a woman or get needy or desperate whenever he's around girls. Here's how to really be an alpha around girls. Approaching girls confidently. 1. Walk like an alpha male. When you approach the girl you have your eye on, don't wander around, casually bump into your friend group, and then awkwardly initiate an interaction. An alpha male sees the girl he wants to flirt with and approaches her directly with confidence and purpose. Walk like you're in control with slower, determined steps. You know where you're going. As lame as it sounds, don't be afraid to practice your walk in your home. Try to find a place with mirrors so you can observe yourself. Sometimes people have nervous twitches that they don't even notice, so don't be embarrassed to practice a little bit. 2. Make eye contact. When you're talking to a girl that you're interested in, especially an extremely attractive girl, it can be intimidating to look straight into her eyes, but when you divert your gaze, you send the message that you believe she's out of your league. Most women aren't going to be interested in flirting with a man who has already unconsciously announced he feels unworthy. When you introduce yourself and start talking, make eye contact. This doesn't mean you should stare at her. That can be a little creepy. It's okay to break eye contact occasionally. Introduce yourself in a confident, steady voice. If she's in the middle of a conversation, wait until there is a slight pause before saying something like, "I'm sorry to interrupt, but I had to come say hello." If she's a bit taken aback, that's a good thing. You've immediately shown her that you're confident and you don't hesitate to pursue what you want. Extend your hand for a handshake to show you're mature, and make sure to grip her hand firmly enough so she knows you feel secure in your interaction. Conversing and flirting. 1. Ask her questions. This will allow you to control the conversation. Controlling a conversation doesn't mean you should talk over her, interrupt her, or act like a know-it-all. It means that you're steering the conversation. Ask her questions about herself, both to show her that you're interested in learning about her and also to control the conversation topics. Don't ask her anything intense or personal, but typical introductory topics. If you're at a party, you can ask her how she knows the host. If you're out somewhere, ask her simple introductory questions like her name, what she does, where she's from, and the like. Once you find out a little bit about her, you can ask more personalized, in-depth questions. 2. Keep things light and positive. Alpha males don't complain, and they certainly don't feel sorry for themselves. They create their own realities, so avoid being a Debbie Downer while you're speaking to the girl you're interested in. If you have a sense of humor, use it. Making a girl laugh is an extremely effective flirting technique. You want her to associate you with positivity, laughter, and fun, so don't complain. If she says something negative, support her opinion but offer a positive spin on things. If she says something about the weather being awful, you can say something along the lines of, "It's not great, but at least we can suffer through it together." 3. Offer genuine compliments. Don't bombard her with flattery just to make her like you. Comment on the attractive qualities you see in her. Because alpha males are secure in themselves, they don't say things that they don't sincerely mean. Not only will this show her that you're a genuine person, it'll make her appreciate your thoughtful compliments even more. If she talks about her job, you can say something like, "It sounds like you're extremely intelligent to manage all of that." If you tell a joke to make her laugh, you can offer her something like, "You have a unique laugh, I like it." You won't look like an alpha male just by telling her she's hot. 4. Create banter. Don't be afraid to tease her a little bit. Alpha males ooze confidence, and they don't shy away from being genuine. Obviously, don't say anything that could actually offend her, but make her laugh by calling her out on silly things. A fun way to start a light-hearted back and forth with a woman you've just met is to act like you've known her forever. Once she starts talking a bit about herself, you can say something like, "Oh, you've always been so funny," or "stubborn, clumsy, observant, or nerdy." You can create attraction by making her laugh and feel comfortable. 5. Let the conversation flow naturally. Don't approach a girl with the singular goal of securing a date with her. Instead, make it your goal to have a great flirty conversation. Women can typically tell if you're picking them up rather than flirting, and flirting is much more lighthearted, fun, and non-committal. Let the conversation be organic and natural, and only ask her out when it feels like it's going well. 6. End the conversation. Once you've chatted for a bit, end the conversation appropriately. If it's gone well, ask her out on a date or simply get her number. If you know you'll see her again, tell her that you enjoyed meeting and talking to her. By ending the conversation on your terms, you've once again asserted your alphaness. Wait for a lull in conversation and say something like, "It's been wonderful talking to you, and I will give you a call or see you later," or whatever. If things don't go smoothly and she doesn't seem interested, don't worry or stress over it. Even alpha males get rejected sometimes, but it doesn't matter. The key to being an alpha is not needing anyone else to validate you. So carry on. Rejection is nothing to fear. Looking like an alpha. 1. Look great. This doesn't mean you need to suddenly get a six-pack. Cut your beloved beard or drop thousands of dollars on a new wardrobe. Decide what great means to you and be that. If it means exercising regularly and getting more fit, do it. If it just means brushing your hair, do that. Being an alpha and flirting like an alpha is all about feeling your best. Polish up anything that you think would make you look better. Groom yourself how you like, and know that every time you meet a girl, you're the best version of yourself, whatever that means to you. There are alpha males who look like Zac Efron with huge muscles and perfect clothes. There are also alpha males like Bill Clinton who find power in confidence and intellect. Being an alpha male is more about mindset than it is about outward appearance. 2. Maintain good hygiene. While things like hairstyle and wardrobe are personal and up to you, good hygiene is non-negotiable. If you want to have your best shot with girls, you can't be dirty or unpleasant to be around. Shower regularly. Keep your breath smelling fresh, and keep your skin and hair clean. It might be possible to flirt successfully while maintaining a sloppy hygiene routine, but cleanliness will certainly increase your chances. There you have it. These are some ways to be an alpha around girls. The question is, are you confident enough to do these and be a real alpha? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section down below. If you like this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. To learn more about Answerly and Answerly tokens, check out the links in the description.